Hey everybody, this video is a quick getting started guide for TopBuilder 2.0. What we're going to be covering today is, first of all, how to set up and configure your dashboard. Second of all, how to refresh, collapse, and configure each widget on your dashboard. Third, how to navigate and filter through the system. Fourth, how to get training and support. All right, so let's get started. So first of all, when you log in, of course, you'll see what's new, feature spotlights, and news and announcements on your login screen. But once you log in, especially when you log in for the first time, what you will see is a blank dashboard. Now, you're going to get this welcome little pop-up, and you can get rid of that if you want to. But to configure your dashboard or set it up for the first time, what you want to do is go to this slide out menu in the upper left-hand corner and just click on the items you want to add to your dashboard. So I can start with my daily agenda, which will show up here on the right. It's predetermined to show up on the right. Maybe I want my leads. Maybe I want my tasks. And let's just say hypothetically, I want to see my sales funnel and my key statistics. Okay. So that has set up my dashboard for the first time. Now, if I want to move items around, I just grab the heading and I drag and drop it where I want it to go. And it'll give you a little hint where it highlights the little section before you drop it. If I put it over here and it looks like this bluish purple color pops up, that's where the widget's going to snap to. Okay? So you can do that. You can move things around. Let's say I want my tasks below my leads. And so now I've organized my dashboard the way I want to. Now, each one of your panels or your widgets, each one of these little boxes we call a widget, you can refresh them by hitting this little circular button here. That will refresh just that widget. So I can go in and refresh my items. Maybe your key statistics have changed, leads have come in, or you want to just change the view. You can go ahead and click that refresh button, refresh your agenda. Maybe you're sitting there with your dashboard open. You can refresh your agenda all day long. The next thing you can do is you can collapse these items if you want to. So maybe you have a whole bunch of tasks that you want to see here, and your leads are kind of getting in the way. You can collapse that down, and now you see all your tasks in a bigger view on your dashboard. And of course, you can move those over into a different place if you want. So each one of these panels or widgets is collapsible, okay? You can also go full view if you want to, which is kind of cool, if you want to see your leads on the full screen, okay? So that's how the collapsing and expanding works. And then finally, some of the widgets are configurable. For instance, this funnel chart right here has some chart settings on it. You click on that bar and open it, and then you can go in here and say, well, I don't want to see all of these statuses in my funnel. I may just check off some of them. I don't want to see all these. I just care about the big ones maybe. And there you go. I can refresh that, and that will refresh the funnel chart for you on your widget and close the setting panel. So that is really, really cool. And of course, it remembers all this for the next time you log in. Okay, and then lastly, we want to go over the filtering and searching throughout the system. So every page, virtually every page, is going to have what we call this slide out menu, which is on the upper left. So you'll go to a page and you may not see the normal search bar on the left side. That's because we've collapsed it and give you more real estate, screen real estate, by collapsing that little search panel. But each one of these items, if we go to manage leads, manage accounts, manage contacts, you will have a search panel. And you can go up here and put your search criteria in and hit refresh. And there you go. You'll have your grid filtered and sorted the way you want to. And again, that's the way it's going to be on most every single page in the system. So get used to these slide out menus. They're fantastic and they're very effective. Okay? And so now the last thing is the Help Center. The Help Center's changed just a little bit. Still the good old Help Center that we've always had, but the menu has changed. So how to get support is right here. And this shows you how you can get unlimited daily training, email support, and phone support. Okay? And so that is the 2.0 Getting Started video. Thank you.